Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial we are going to learn how we can convert numbers to text. In this video I will show you 3 steps by which you can convert a number to text format. Generally you can see the number is right aligned and the text is left aligned in the cell. By putting a apostrophe, step 1, by putting a apostrophe in front of the number, you can convert it as text. You can see first it was in the right aligned, now it is in the left aligned. Step 2, you just select the number, then right click and format cell. Then you just select the text, then press OK. You can see these are also text because these are also in the right align. And you can use a one formula which is text. So we generally use the text format, text function, while we are converting date into a text format. Suppose you have write down 0101 2020 and you want equal to text, you want the format equal to text. Then it is DD MMM YYY. Just close the bracket and it will show like this. So these are the 3 steps by which you can convert numbers to text. Hope this video will help you to solve your problem. Thanks for watching.